In this video, I will show you how to automatically add a signature to your emails in Outlook. First, open the Outlook app on your Windows computer. In the top right corner, click on the gear icon to open Settings. From the Settings panel, click on Accounts. Now, click on Signatures. You will see a list of your existing signatures or an empty space if you have not created one yet. Click the Plus New Signature button to create a new signature. Type a name for your signature, such as Work or Personal. In the large text box below, you can type what you want to include in your signature. This could be your name, job title, company name, phone number, website, or anything else. You can use the toolbar to change the font, make text bold, or change the color if you like. To add an image or a logo, click the picture icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small photo. Choose Browse this computer and pick the image you want to add, such as your company logo. Click Open to insert it. Now, scroll down to the section called Choose Default Signatures. Here, you will see drop-down menus to set which signature to use for each of your email accounts. For new messages, select the signature you just created. This will make Outlook add your signature automatically to every new email you write. For replies and forwards, you can choose the same signature if you want it to appear when you reply to messages. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now, your signature will be added automatically to every email you send. To check if it works, click New Mail from the top menu. A new email window will open and your signature should already appear at the bottom of the message. This is how you can set up a custom signature in the latest version of Outlook. Thanks for watching.